How to block Twitch ads on mobile. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to block Twitch ads on mobile. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what you want to do first is head on to the App Store. And then once you're here, what you want to do now is to just search up for an ad blocker. And then once you're done, what you want to do is to just simply choose what kind of ad blocker you want to use to block Twitch ads. So as an example, I will use this one right here, AdGuard. So it blocks ads and secures your privacy. So just install the ad blocker that you want to use. And then once it's done installing, just open up the ad blocker. Just click on I agree and continue. And then after that, what you want to do is to make sure that the ad blocker is switched on. And then after that, you are pretty much done. And then you can now watch Twitch on your mobile phone without experiencing any ads. And then you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to block Twitch ads on mobile. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.